हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एस के मोटो फिल्म्स। तो आज हम बात करेंगे बेस्ट सुपर बाइक्स अवेलेबल इन इंडिया अंडर 30 लैक्स। तो बिना किसी देरी के आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
Mm.
The Yamaha YZF R1M. It's have 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine which produce 197 bhp and 112 Nm of torque. The engine comes with 6-speed gearbox with quick shifter as well. और बात करें अगर इसके एक्स शोरूम प्राइस की तो वो है 20,73,000।
Mm. Always on the ground, and the sliders wear out faster and faster. The thrill you get for more than 200 horsepower, isn't it?
The Aprilia RS V4 RF is the limited edition track bike. It's a Aprilia performance, ride control, ride by wire, wheelie control, launch control and quick shifter as well as. It have 999cc V4 engine with a power of 119 bhp and 115 Nm of torque with 6-speed gear box. Its ex-showroom price is 22,80,000, which is very good.
Mm.
Light a match, let it go. The firecrackers explode.
The Kawasaki Ninja H2SX. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 have supercharged engine. It have 998cc liquid cooling supercharged inline 4-cylinder engine which a maximum power of 197 bhp and 134 Nm of torque. It also have 6-speed gearbox, quick shifter as well. Its ex-showroom price is 22,90,000.
Mm.
The MV Agusta F4. It is the world's most beautiful looking bike and it is awarded for its look. It have 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine with powered of 193 bhp and 110 Nm of torque. It have 6-speed gearbox. Its ex showroom price is 26,12,000 और जो इसकी बैक टेल लाइट है उसके नीचे जो 4 साइलेंसर इसके दिए गए हैं वो इसको सभी गाड़ियों से अलग लुक देता है और बहुत हटके दिखती है, इसलिए इसे वर्ल्ड की सबसे खूबसूरत बाइक माना गया है।
Mm.
Panigale V4S is the first production 4-cylinder superbike from Ducati. The V4S is based on the MotoGP bike dynamics and MotoGP V4 technology. The overall design of the V4 is more sporty and aggressive. It have 1103 cc 90 degree V4 engine which produce 291 bhp and 124 Nm of torque with 6-speed gearbox and quick shifter, and its ex showroom price is 26,50,000 और ये हमारी फर्स्ट पोजीशन में आती है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई तो वीडियो को लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो। तो मिलते हैं आपको अगली वीडियो पे।